Welcome back to Homespot. If you have ever looked at the bare dirt around your trees and thought, there's got to be a better way, you are in exactly the right place. Today we are diving into 17 stunning flowerbed ideas that will completely transform the space around your trees and make your backyard the most beautiful spot on the block. Let's get into it. Imagine transforming the bare dirt around your tree into a stunning spiral herb garden that is both beautiful and useful. By laying flat stones in a curving pattern, you create tiers perfect for thyme, rosemary, and mint. This design adds incredible texture, fragrance, and structure to your small garden while making every inch of space count beautifully. There is something truly enchanting about planting a perfect circle of white and purple impatiens around your tree base. This simple fairy ring design creates an instant focal point that looks like it belongs in a storybook garden. Add a few tiny mushroom figurines between the blooms, and your backyard will feel like a magical woodland retreat every single day. If you want a low-maintenance flowerbed that still looks stunning, try pairing smooth river rocks with drought-tolerant succulents around your tree. The contrast between cool gray pebbles and plump, colorful succulent rosettes creates a modern desert aesthetic that requires almost no watering or upkeep. This design is perfect for busy homeowners who still want a beautifully styled backyard garden space. One of the smartest ways to fill a shaded tree base is by planting in 3 distinct layers of height. Place tall hostas at the outer ring, lacy ferns in the middle, and creeping ajaga hugging the trunk. This layered approach ensures every inch beneath the canopy is covered with lush, textured greenery that looks professionally designed and utterly beautiful year-round. Choosing a single color family for your tree flower bed is one of the most sophisticated design decisions you can make. Plant lavender, salvia, allium, and catmint together for a stunning all-purple composition that feels curated and intentional. The subtle variation between lilac, violet, and deep plum tones adds depth without visual chaos. giving your small garden a refined elegance that impresses every visitor. Create a peaceful, meditative corner in your backyard by designing a Japanese-inspired garden bed around your tree. Arrange moss-covered stepping stones in a careful ring. Fill the gaps with creeping thyme and baby's tears, and place a small stone lantern near the base. This calm, minimalist design transforms even the smallest garden space into a tranquil sanctuary that feels deeply intentional and beautifully serene. Building a low circular brick wall around your tree instantly elevates the entire look of your yard. Fill the raised ring with rich dark soil and pack it with colorful seasonal blooms like geraniums, alyssum, and marigolds for a vibrant, structured display. The brick border adds a sense of permanence and craftsmanship that transforms a plain tree base into a truly eye-catching garden feature. Who says you need a tropical climate to enjoy a resort-style backyard? By planting giant elephant ears, jewel-toned caladiums, and a bold bird of paradise around your tree, you can create a lush tropical oasis in your own small garden. The oversized leaves and vivid colors bring drama and exotic energy to the space, making your backyard feel like a luxurious getaway destination. Planting a bulb rotation bed around your tree is one of the best investments a gardener can make. By layering tulips and daffodils for spring, dahlias for summer, and ornamental kale for fall, you ensure your garden always has something beautiful in bloom. This thoughtful approach keeps your yard looking fresh and colorful across every season without requiring a complete garden redesign each year. Recreate the serene beauty of a forest floor right in your backyard by placing a decorative fallen log at the base of your tree. Surround it with ferns, delicate mushrooms, and thick velvet moss for a naturalistic woodland composition that feels genuinely organic. This design celebrates imperfection and natural decay, turning what might look like yard debris into a stunning, artfully composed garden feature. Why choose between beauty and function when you can have both? Planting nasturtiums, pansies, and calendula around your tree creates a vibrant, colorful flower bed where every single bloom is also edible. Add a small chalkboard identifying each plant to make it educational and charming for visitors. This garden bed is perfect for home cooks and garden lovers who want a space that truly does it all. For a sleek, modern garden look that requires minimal maintenance, combine fine white gravel with ornamental grasses around your tree base. Blue fescue creates soft, rounded mounds at the front, while dramatic pampas grass plumes rise at the back, catching every breeze. This architectural planting style uses contrast and texture to create a striking composition that looks sharp, contemporary, and effortlessly cool in any backyard setting. Design your flower bed not just around plants, but around the beautiful shadows they cast. By selecting hostas with bold veining, lacy ferns with intricate fronds, and sharp-edged agave, you create a living sculpture where filtered light produces stunning, shifting shadow patterns throughout the day. This design rewards patient observation and turns your tree base into a constantly changing, dynamic piece of natural garden art. Scattering a wildflower seed mix in a wide circle around your tree is possibly the easiest and most rewarding garden project you will ever attempt. Poppies, cornflowers, daisies, and Queen Anne's lace create a joyful, naturalistic meadow that hums with bees and butterflies all season long. The free-spirited, unplanned aesthetic feels abundantly alive, giving your yard a countryside charm that looks both effortless and breathtakingly beautiful. Grouping a collection of mismatched vintage terracotta pots around your tree creates a wonderfully bohemian garden moment that is full of personality and warmth. Fill pots of varying sizes and patina with red geraniums, trailing purple verbena, and cheerful marigolds. Let trailing ivy spill naturally over the edges to soften the arrangement. This style celebrates imperfection and individuality, making every pot and every bloom feel deeply personal. Channel the grandeur of a classic European estate by designing a perfectly symmetrical formal garden bed around your tree. Use neatly clipped, low boxwood hedging to divide the space into 4 precise geometric quadrants. Then fill each section with a single species, such as roses, gardenias, lavender, and santolina. The discipline and order of this design create a breathtaking sense of elegance and permanence in even the smallest garden space. Think of the ground beneath your tree as a blank canvas ready to be filled with a rich patchwork of color and texture. By weaving together creeping phlox, golden sedum, and delicate sweet woodruff, you build a living tapestry that carpets the entire bed in a complex, quilt-like pattern. This ground cover approach suppresses weeds naturally, requires minimal care, and delivers extraordinary visual impact throughout every growing season. And those are 17 incredible flower bed ideas that prove the space around your trees is one of the most overlooked opportunities in your entire backyard. Whether you love the wild charm of a cottage garden, the clean lines of a formal design, or the magical glow of a night garden, there is something on this list for every style and every budget. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to Homespot so you never miss our latest garden inspiration, and drop a comment below telling us which idea is your favorite. We read every single one.